Wheel Empire presents KGM Chairman Luxury Sedan full review script, approximately 1100 words. Intro. Welcome back to Wheel Empire. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at one of the most luxurious executive sedans ever imagined, the KGM Chairman. This flagship luxury sedan combines elegant styling, premium comfort, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance into one masterpiece. If you're passionate about ultra-luxury cars like the Mercedes Maybach, Rolls-Royce Ghost, or Bentley Flying Spur, then you're going to love every second of this review. Let's explore every detail of this incredible luxury machine, step by step. Step front exterior design. The first thing you'll notice is the massive chrome front grille that immediately gives the Chairman a royal appearance. The vertical chrome slats create a premium executive look, while the sleek LED matrix headlights provide both elegance and advanced nighttime visibility. The sculpted hood features bold character lines that flow naturally toward the grille, making the front end appear longer and more powerful. At the lower bumper, chrome accents and large air intakes improve both styling and aerodynamics. Step side profile. Moving to the side, the Chairman showcases a long wheelbase body that offers unmatched rear passenger comfort. Large multi-spoke alloy wheels perfectly complement the luxury design, while chrome window surrounds and chrome side skirts enhance the premium appearance. Flush door handles not only improve aerodynamics but also give the car a futuristic touch. The long roofline and elegant proportions make this sedan look incredibly expensive from every angle. Step rear design. At the rear, the full-width LED taillight bar gives the car a modern signature look. Chrome detailing continues across the trunk, creating a sophisticated finish. The dual chrome exhaust finishers add a sporty touch without compromising luxury. An automatic power trunk opens smoothly with either the key fob, gesture control, or foot sensor. Step smart key and entry system. Now let's unlock the Chairman. As you approach the vehicle with the smart key, the door handles automatically extend outward. Welcome lights illuminate beneath the mirrors while the LED headlights perform a stylish greeting animation. Soft close doors ensure every door shuts silently with minimal effort. This technology adds convenience while reinforcing the premium ownership experience. Step interior design. Opening the driver's door reveals an exceptionally luxurious cabin. Premium Nappa leather covers nearly every surface. Real wood trim flows across the dashboard and door panels. Brushed aluminum accents provide a modern contrast. Ambient lighting stretches throughout the cabin with over 64 customizable colors. The interior has been designed to feel more like a luxury lounge than a traditional automobile. Step driver cockpit. The driver's seat offers 24-way electric adjustment with memory settings, heating, ventilation, and massage functions. In front of the driver sits a fully digital 15-inch instrument cluster displaying navigation, vehicle information, and driving data. A large curved infotainment display dominates the center dashboard. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather with multifunction controls and paddle shifters. Everything is positioned perfectly for maximum comfort. Step infotainment technology. The Chairman is packed with the latest technology. Features include 15-inch HD touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, voice assistant, AI personal assistant, navigation with augmented reality, OTA software updates, multi-language interface, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports. The system is extremely responsive and supports gesture control for selected functions. Step premium audio system. Music lovers will appreciate the premium surround sound system. With more than 20 strategically positioned speakers, passengers enjoy crystal clear audio quality. Active noise cancellation continuously reduces road and wind noise, creating a peaceful cabin environment. Whether listening to classical music or modern beats, the sound experience feels concert-like. Step rear executive lounge. Now let's move to the rear seats, the true highlight of the Chairman. The executive rear seats recline electronically and include massage function, heating, ventilation, leg extension, ottoman footrest, memory settings. Passengers can fully relax during long journeys. Rear entertainment screens provide movies, navigation, and multimedia controls. A refrigerated compartment keeps beverages cool, while fold-out tables transform the rear cabin into a mobile office. Step climate comfort. The Chairman offers 4-zone automatic climate control. Every passenger can independently adjust temperature, fan speed, air distribution. An advanced air purification system removes dust, pollen, and harmful particles. Fragrance diffusion technology keeps the cabin smelling fresh at all times. Step engine performance. Powering the Chairman is a refined twin-turbo V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Estimated specifications include *4.0L twin-turbo V8, around 600 horsepower, approximately 800 Nm torque, *0 to 100 km/h in under 4.5 seconds. Top speed over 250 km/h. Despite its size, acceleration feels effortless. Power delivery remains smooth under all driving conditions. Step driving modes. Drivers can choose between multiple driving modes: Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, Individual, Snow, Rain. Each mode adjusts suspension, steering, throttle response, and transmission settings. Adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts ride height for maximum comfort and stability. Step safety technology. Safety is one of the Chairman's strongest areas. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, cross-traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, driver attention monitoring, 360 degrees camera, parking assist, auto parking system. These technologies work together to improve safety and reduce driver fatigue. Step lighting technology. The intelligent LED matrix headlights continuously adapt to surrounding traffic. Features include automatic high beam, cornering lights, dynamic turn signals, welcome animation, adaptive beam technology. Visibility remains excellent without dazzling other drivers. Step smart luxury features. Additional premium features include panoramic glass roof, digital rear view mirror, head-up display, soft close doors, powered sunshades, gesture control trunk, fingerprint start system, facial recognition driver profile, AI cabin monitoring, digital key via smartphone. These innovations make every journey smarter and more enjoyable. Step cargo space. The power-operated trunk offers generous luggage capacity for business trips or family vacations. The rear seats can fold when additional cargo space is needed. Hands-free opening makes loading effortless. Step night driving experience. At night, the ambient lighting transforms the cabin into a luxurious lounge. Soft LED illumination flows across the dashboard, doors, center console, and rear cabin. Combined with active noise cancellation and massage seats, nighttime travel becomes exceptionally relaxing. Step final verdict. The KGM Chairman is designed for those who demand prestige, comfort, advanced technology, and effortless performance. From its commanding exterior to its handcrafted interior, every detail reflects executive-class luxury. Its powerful engine, intelligent driver assistance systems, premium materials, and state-of-the-art technology place it among the finest luxury sedans in the world. If you're looking for a vehicle that delivers elegance, innovation, and ultimate comfort, the KGM Chairman deserves serious attention. Outro. Thank you for watching Wheel Empire. If you enjoyed this complete luxury car review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest supercar, SUV, and luxury sedan reviews. This is Wheel Empire, bringing you the world's most luxurious automobiles, one masterpiece at a time. See you in the next video.